So it gives you a little countdown, and now we're live. So we're going to show whoever this is how to do this video. So let's see. Suppose that the lifetimes of light bulbs are approximately normally distributed with a mean of 56 hours and a standard deviation of 3.3 hours. Jason, do you know what a normal distribution is?
Mm-hmm.
Mean of 56, standard deviation of 3.3.
I'm going to test my artistry skills now.
Ooh, let's see how good of an artist
There you
are.
go. How about that?
That's pretty impressive.
Thank you.
All right. For part A, where should we shade? More than, Chris is going to help you out. Where is more than 62, Chris? Right. Yeah, okay, so we're going to shade to the right. Why are we going to shade to the right?
It's not the numbers on the number line more than 64, 65 are all on the right side of 60.
Yes.
Do you want me to shade it, or are you going to go?
Can
Okay.
you please shade the region that we're looking for?
Okay.
Great, now how would we find the region that we're looking for? By the way, this is all being recorded, so that's fine. It's fine. We're going to have video evidence of this on YouTube in about 5 minutes anyway.
What do you mean by find it? I can find it right there.
I have an extra surface here if anyone else can play it.
Did it stop recording? Oh, I don't. I can pause it. Pause. TI emulator. Okay.
All right, do you know how to do the area underneath the null curve in the emulator?
Yes, I do.
Can you please show us?
Second distribution. Almost CDF. Okay. All right. So actually, here I could erase. I was going to find the z-score, but you don't have to.
It's fine. No, this is actually our school page for the actual site. We don't pay for it. Okay, we get the cherry, we don't pay for it.
So is that through Smart View? That's
Yes.
software you guys use? Okay.
All right. I'm gonna ask you, not even bother with that. You can hit pause on the recording.
That disappeared.